Hi everyone, welcome to my studio. My name is Ingrid Sanchez and I'm known as CreativeIngrid on social media, and it's also the name of the brand where I are licensed my artworks. If you don't know me, I'm mainly a watercolor artist. That is my first love, and this space is to share that with you. I'm also in love of creating with my hands on all kind of mediums. So sometimes you will see that I paint on silk, I create drums, I bring cyanotypes in. But this space is to share with you any medium that is water-based. So when I say watercolor, it means the use of water as the medium of dispersion. This means I might bring inks into the paintings, acrylics, powders, cyanotype, anything that can be used on paper. After, I believe, 10 years or more of teaching in person, as you can see, I have my space prepared because I'm teaching a class, and 6 years of the creation of watercolor foundations, my online classroom, I have decided to create this space, to have a community, to give you a space to see behind the scenes, ask questions in a more informal way. This is space to be more raw. There are going to be no many editions, it's going to be real time, so no speedy videos as I usually do on social media. So what I want to offer you here is one project monthly to work together, and I thought that painting a bouquet together every month will be a nice way to start, to begin this journey. I also want to share with you the way I gather inspiration during my walks or trips. It is very common for me to take long walks or go to the park or travel, take photos, videos in a specific way to then can bring here and put on paper that experience using color without the need of being painting outside. I'm really an artist of my studio, so that's what I want to share. Also, I will be adding constantly small tutorials where I can show you how I create my palettes, how I maybe, I don't know, choose the brushes I want to work with, how I clean them, how I create specific textures. So this is something I'm going to start adding constantly. So if you have a question or something you really want to learn from me, please let me know. That is going to be in the list of things I will share. And finally, I also want to share behind the scenes of things that happen in the studio. If you follow on Instagram, usually my process videos are 30 seconds, 60 seconds maximum, but in reality is one of these paintings take around 8 hours or 3 days. And in the between, there are so many things that happens, from stressful moments when I have to think fast and fix things, or funny situations that I need to adapt so my painting still works. There are so many things we can learn from this, are things that I usually don't share, and I want to start doing that here as a way for me to gather everything in one space with more time, without the pressure of having a perfect curated thing. Expect raw, expect me moving the camera around, expect me not in very good hair days maybe. Not that that matters. Anyway, yes, this is it, this is me. I hope that you join us, I hope that you stay around. I would love to see your artworks, and as I always say, happy painting. Have a lovely day.